Do you want to clean your colon to give yourself more energy and improve health? Living with poor digestion can feel like fighting an overwhelming and uncomfortable battle. You don't deserve to live like this. Take back your life and improve your colon health the safe and natural way. Click the link below or at the end of this video to discover the secret 4-step colon cleansing system used by master herbalist Dr. Donna Skwankowski to help her patients improve digestive health, increase energy, lose weight, and live a healthier life. Download the guide free for a limited time.